A lower-end computer combined with a huge modifier stack results in this. You try to apply all the modifiers and already at the first one it freezes for minutes or in the worst case for hours. Let me show you the trick that I used to apply all these 17 modifiers in 3 minutes instead of 1 hour.
Blender Defender.
So the name of the game is to apply all these 17 modifiers at once, and there is no specific operator for that, but a workaround is by converting this mesh to a mesh, because that applies all the modifiers and it still takes a while. For me it took 3 minutes, but that's not as long as just 1 hour. So here I'm back and all the modifiers are applied now just by converting to mesh. So that's the trick that you can use to apply all your modifiers in just 3 minutes instead of 1 hour. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Leave a like and subscribe, and remember, a river cuts its way through stone not because it's so strong, but because it persistently pursues its destination.